Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best carbon bicycle pedal in this video? I will show you the top 5 best carbon bicycle pedal to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Woodman Bikes Pedal. Specifications: brand name, Woodman. Model number, XW01. Type, Ultralight pedal. Pedal category, Ultralight pedal. Pedal device category, pedal. Use, cruisers, road bicycles. Material, carbon. Bike pedals color, black. Number 4 is Bolini bicycle pedals. Specifications: brand, Bolini. Material, carbon fiber. Spindle, titanium. Size, 106 by 92 by 17 mm. Weight, 179 grams/pair. Color, black. Anti-skid pins, 5 per side. As the item number 3, we've selected West Biking Carbon Fiber Bicycle Pedals. Specifications: brand name, West Biking. Model number, YP08022120. Pedal device category, bearing. Use, BMX, cruisers, mountain bikes, road bicycles. Material, carbon. Bearing, 3 bearing. Type, ultralight pedal. Size, 99 by 85 by 26 mm. Number 2 is Shimano ULTEGRA SPD-SL PDR 8000. Specifications: brand name, Shimano. Model number, PDR 8000. Type, self-locking pedal. Pedal category, self-locking pedal. Pedal device category, pedal. Use, road bicycles. Material, carbon. On the top of our list at number 1 we have West Biking Carbon Fiber Pedal. Specifications: brand name, West Biking. Model number, YP08022114. Type, ultralight pedal. Pedal category, ultralight pedal. Pedal device category, bearing. Use, mountain bikes, road bicycles. Material, aluminum alloy. Thread diameter, 14 mm. Bearing, 3 bearings.